So like I said before, everybody should have their writing, their crayons, a pencil to write on with an eraser. If you don't have an eraser, find one, it's okay. Your transportation book, your coloring book, okay? And if you don't have it with you right now, it is okay. You can color your book when you get home and you find it, or you can write a story on a piece of paper when you get home and show me your story then. So it'd be like homework, okay? Because if you can't do it in class, it's homework, okay? All right, so let's begin. So yesterday we watched In a Box. So I'm gonna have you watch it again so you remember that, you know, a box can become so many things in the world, okay? So here we go. We use our imagination. And let me get that story up real quick for you. Give me one second. Okay, there it is. And I'm going to share my screen so you can hear the story. And this is in a different little way, but I want you to hear the story so to remind you what Not in a Box is. Here we go.
By Antoinette Portis. Not a box. To children everywhere, sitting in cardboard boxes. Why are you sitting in a box?
It's not a box.
What are you doing on top of that box?
It's not a box.
Why are you squirting a box?
I said it's not a box.
Now you're wearing a box?
This is not a box.
Are you still standing around in that box?
It's not a box.
Well, what is it then?
It's not a box. This side up.
All right. So that we watched the video so you can remember what not a box is. So now we're going to write our stories. That's not a box. Remember, this can be anything you want. Your story, you can tell me about what you did one time when you went with your family. You can write about what you ate last night, what you did last night. But remember, you're going to draw a box and create your own illustration, your own story. And remember, when we draw, we always start with a pencil. And then we do color crayon, okay? Always start with a pencil. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I'm gonna draw my story that's not a box, okay? Look at this. This is gonna be so much fun. My story is gonna be about what I ate last night, okay? But I'm gonna draw a box first so you can see, okay? Oh, this is gonna be not a box story. Not a box story, okay? Here we go. Look what it's going to become, okay? I'm just drawing sticks, okay? That's all I'm drawing. And if it's not perfect, it's okay because I'm doing my best, okay? Look at circles. What could this be? This is my story of what I had for dinner last night. Look at me. I'm just drawing sticks, long sticks, little sticks. These are my plates right here. Okay, I'm not going to draw the food I had yet. I'm going to see if you can guess. Okay, here we go. Here I am. Look at that. There's my feet hanging from my chair. Okay, there's my hands eating what I had for dinner last night. Oh, I gotta put my little dots of face, little eyes, smiley face, a nose. Look at that. There's my hair. I'll wear my dress. I'll put my dress on like that. Okay. Oh, and look right here. Who could that be? My family, right? That's who I had dinner with last night. I had dinner with my family. So look at that. All I'm using is circles and dots and long, short lines, small lines, but I used first a box, and now it's turning not in a box, not in a box. So let's see if I can draw my other family, okay, because I have a son. This is my son. His hair is sticking up. See all the little lines I'm making to make it look like it's sticking up? That's my son. And here's my daughter. I'm gonna do my best. This is hard for me a little bit, but it's okay, because you know what? I can draw lines and I can draw squares. I can do a bunch of things to show that this is my daughter. Okay, there's her feet. There, I did it. There's her hands. Okay, there's my family. It's not a box story. This is what, let me tell you a little bit what we had last night. Last night, after work, I got home and I love eating dinner with my family. And our favorite thing that we love to eat at home is, get ready for it, here we go. See if you know what that is. Oh, look at that. I don't know if you can see what it is, but doing my best, and that's all that matters. Look at that. What do you think my family is eating? Oh, it was so delicious. So delicious last night. Okay, so I'm gonna put pictures up because in my house I have a window and then I have a big picture with flowers. In my dining room I have pictures with flowers. Here's my carpet. Oh, my dog was over here. So I'm gonna draw a little doggy right here. Okay. There's another window over here. Okay, there was a fan. We have a fan. Look at this. I'm just doing shapes. That's all I'm doing. Okay, look at that. And there was a carpet all around here, around my dining room, and it was just little lines. That's how my carpet looks like, has little lines. Okay, and then I have a little table here that has little vase with flowers. This is my living room and dining room, part of my living room and part of my dining room, okay? And this is how my story last night. My family last night, when I got home, we love to spend dinner together. And one of our favorite things to do when we go home and eat, our favorite dinner is, I bet many of you love this too, it's pizza. I love pizza. See, look at my story. Now that I drew it on and my pencil, okay, because I draw my pencil first. Now I'm gonna color it just like it is in my house so you can see how my house looks like, okay? Now, what I want you to do is draw not a box story again, doing a different story. And this time, okay, I want you to use a pencil first, then do the colors, and then we're gonna go ahead and share with everybody. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you this time to write a story. You're not a box story.